Hi guys, my name's Harry. I'm sitting in a wheelchair, which is my pops, and this bird here is my dad's. This one is mine, and we have a new visitor. Look! This is our new visitor. It's a king parrot, and he's been coming for the last couple of days. And there used to be 3, now there's only this one. A bit camera shy. So that's the king parrot, and we have a food dish there. And if I could reach him, I could pat him. But okay, just watch for about maybe 30 seconds him doing his stuff. Okay, I think I can pat him now. Darn it. Well, yes, I can pat him on the tail. So that's the king parrot. Thank you for watching. My name's Harry. Please like, subscribe, and share. If we reach as soon as I reach 100 subs, I'm gonna start making Pokemon trading card videos. So just get us to 100 subscribers and we get that. Bye for now.